Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Lora with Stitching with Lora. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Monday and I hope you all had a great weekend. Well, welcome to my Hairpin Ladies Monday, and today we're going to be working on this white section in this red lady's dress, I guess. And the color is 712. It's just an off-white, if you will. So let me pull you down. We're going to finish this section. I'm telling you. I want to get that center part done. So, yay. So, how we doing? Been kind of a long weekend. I am telling you. Not much going on at my house. Sat, watched Netflix, listened to books, watched YouTube stuff, stitched for a while. Yeah. Just kind of an absolutely lazy day, and took 2 separate naps. I don't know. I hope I'm not getting sick, because that'd be bad. Yeah. Let's not do that. We just did that. What month was that? I guess maybe it was October or November. I can't remember. Yeah, just kind of taking it very easy. Missed the whole corner there. But we'll stitch over it. Everything's fine. Nobody is going to notice on a galloping horse. Oh, goodness. So, yeah, I just kind of ran out of steam yesterday. So, I'm kind of looking forward to going to work and doing something different for the next few days. It wasn't extremely cold or windy, or it said we were going to have snow overnight. That didn't happen. Yeah, nope. So, yeah, just kind of taking it easy, and it'll be slow at work for sure, for sure. Go right down here. Just keep stitching. I like stitching these bigger areas with y'all. Sorry it's white, but it needed to be done, because I can't find myself sitting there and stitching for half an hour, 45 minutes on the same area, so it's just easy to do it for a video, you know? And this has a lot of bigger areas. Look how long it took us to finish that sash. Holy cow. Yeah. But I'd like to have this front section almost done. We still got to get back to that bottom part that we worked on in, what are they, reds, purples. So this whole section here is going to be that lilac color. Yeah. It'd be 5 to 8 videos just to finish that. No, I have no idea. Just saying. But it sure is an easy way to get through it, though. And before I forget, I did have a viewer send me a picture of a project they're working on, and I'll put that right in here. Thank you, Jane. It's just beautiful. It's coming along great. So thank you for sending that. Keep up the good work. I think she said it was a 9 count. So I've never worked on... I have worked on a 9 count, but the one I got was that parasol with the peonies. Yeah, I kind of lost touch with it. It's got to be in this front room somewhere. How's that? But I haven't worked on it a whole bunch. It keeps slatting. So sorry. So if anybody else has anything they'd like to share, just send me a picture. Give me a brief one-line synopsis of what it is, and, you know, if you finish it, you didn't finish it, that kind of thing. And I will get it up as soon as I possibly can. It will be only in the Stitch With Me's, not in any review videos. So, yeah. I love to see everybody's stuff, because I can be so enabled so quickly, it'd make your head spin. But lately I've been concentrating on other things other than buying any more cross stitch. Just the way it is. I haven't seen anything that I really, you know, I mean, I'm gone looking actually for anything cross stitch. We'll just do it that way, it'll be fine. I'll tie it later. Holy cow. Now I have to rearrange fabric again. Okay. So no grand idea what I'm going to be working on today, or Monday and Tuesday seem to be the kind of the slowest days for stitching. One, you know, it's first day back at work, and then, yeah. I just don't feel like it when I get home, and sometimes I don't get to it because I have other things I have to do before I go to work. So, yeah, that's how that happens. Just seems like Monday and Tuesday, those days, kind of like that. And then I finally get almost geared up, and then it's Wednesday, so I can start relaxing again. Not that, you know, work is very taxing, and it's all that sitting there, you know. I usually listen to my audiobook at work, you know, when there's absolutely nobody around, and customers are kind of few and far between. Get a lot of audiobooks listened to. I do like my Audible. I never did get into the Lily thing, only because right at this time they are working on the library here in town. And I mean, they have like a temporary, I mean, it's not even a library, it's just like we'll call it an office at this point. You could call them and say, hey, I want blah, blah, blah book, and then they could order it in from someplace else if you had to, but there's not a library available, and yeah. So I'd just rather kind of leave them alone till they get all that done. I have no idea how long that construction's going to last. It was like a one-floor library. They may have, like, I want to call them conference rooms that you could, that they lend out to certain groups in the basement. I have no idea, but the whole library was all on one single floor, as far as that goes. And I don't remember when they started that. Perhaps in September-ish. They started to build a top part, like another whole floor they're putting in at the library. So it'll be interesting to see what that all looks like. Maybe my daughter and I, when they get reopened, you know, we'll go there, see what kind of improvements they've made, because they've had that same library since my kids were in high school, I believe, and beyond. I have no idea what the actual date is of when they built that building, but it's been there the whole time we've been here. And plus, so I know it has to be 20 to 30 years. So, I know my daughter used it for research, you know, before everybody got into using the internet for research, you know, back when she was in high school, so they had to go there. And of course the school had their own library, but sometimes they'd go there for further research stuff, and because, yeah. And I think even when they were in grade school, they'd go there and get to pick out books, and, you know, so, because the elementary school didn't have a library like that, so, at the time, so they'd go and do that kind of thing, but, yeah. And my granddaughter, she likes to go to the library. She thinks it's fun. So, but I don't know how much reading now between her and her brother they do. My granddaughter and her brother. Not my daughter and her brother. Holy cow. Never mind. I'm so sorry I started on that. That went south fast, didn't it? Oh my goodness. So yeah, I have no idea. But when I first got here about 10 years ago, my daughter liked to go to the library, and she'd picked it because my granddaughter was little, tiny. You know, she had a lot of kind of free time on her hands. So, yeah. Now, not so much. But, and sometimes they'd rent, she'd get audiobooks too, you know. And you could rent videos there as well, so we went and did that for a hot moment, but not so much lately these days, so we'll see. Okay, do put the needle back in there. I got my lady out today. Let me pull you out. And the other way. I'm so sorry. I do that every time. So, we got the upper bodice done. We got this all the way down to about right here. We have to finish that part and this sleeve part over here. We haven't really, I've put a couple threads in over here, so yeah, we got a long way to go. Alright guys, thanks for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.